Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. And is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes, rollover protection system, running boards. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.